I feel the process is good because, as you can see, the people have turned out in large numbers, and it's really encouraging to see how people have turned out to vote and to exercise their democratic right. And I feel like, as we have talked with the people of Orkarau, we have had 3 months to campaign, and I feel like we have done all our best, and people have really listened to us because we encouraged everyone within our Orkarau constituencies to come out today and to come out in large numbers so that they could elect their member of parliament who will serve them for the next 1 year. So I feel people are really, the turnout is really encouraging. Security, I feel today we have the security is well organized, kwa sababu ukiangalia utaona maafisa wa polisi, they are everywhere, they are manning our roads and our police stations. So I feel the security is quite well today, na sijapata incidents yoyote isipokuwa an incident that happened yesterday that one of my vehicle ambayo ilikuwa nasafirisha my agent ilikuwa pahali panaitwa Mugumo, ilienda ikachomwa na wahuni. But the situation kwa sababu kupiga kura ni haki ya kila mmoja wetu. Mimi ningewahimiza, ingawa ninaona ya kwamba wananchi wetu wamejitokeza vizuri, lakini pia tungetaka the turnout to be good. Maybe even if it's possible we have 100% voters turnout hapa kwetu constituency ya Orkarau, ili wananchi waweze kuamua ni nani wangetaka kuwe mjumbe wao wa mwaka mmoja ambao umebaki. I have just come from home. Ndio nimetoka nyumbani, and as you know, I'm a law abiding citizen. I'll take the necessary action. Kama ni kuripoti, nitaenda ni report so that action can be taken, kwa sababu sitaki kuiongea tu kwa mdomo. I want to take action. Even the last time that my banners were pulled down, I took the action and reported the matter to the police and the agencies that are concerned with the investigation, kwa sababu mimi ni mwananchi ambaye anapenda sana kufuata sheria, sio mambo tu ya kuongea. I'm ready for the outcome because I know I'm winning. I'm ready for it. I'm ready. The people of Orkarau will talk at the ballot. Just wait in the evening. What the people decide is what we'll do for.
Thank you.
Yeah.